Hi folks, Tara here at the Craft Cabin. Just want to show you our Kids Learn to Knit class. So we have a 4-week class coming up for your child to learn how to knit. So we go from the very basics, so how to use needles, we'll do casting on, casting off, how to knit obviously, and we will make our own little creature like this. Now this is a very big one, but your child will make their own version. So this is a cat, but they might want to do a dog or a duck or whatever. A bunny would be a lovely one to do, so they will make their own version. We'll also, once it's knitted and put together, we'll do some little features. So this one has ears, it has eyes, whiskers and nose, and this has a tail obviously. So we'll put this together, so by the end of 4 weeks your child will have knitted their own cuddly toy. So it's a 4-week class, it's for children aged 8 and upwards, so for boys and girls 8 or upwards. If you're interested, pop onto our website or call into the shop.